10th December, the Day of Human Rights. Humanrightsday is observed every year on 10 December, the day United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. The UDHR is a milestone document which proclaims the inalienable rights that everyone is entitled to as a human being, regardless of race, color, religion, sex, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. With the theme of equality, reducing inequalities, advancing human rights, we would like to emphasize the rights of all students who might not have the same opportunity as others, students who might not receive the same support as others, and students who might not have the same treatment as others. The equality in student rights is to learn, to be seen and thought as individuals, to receive support, to be respected for their differences, to be treated with kindness, to express themselves freely, and to feel safe. This illustrates the opposite of equality that should be received by students. On this important day, let us raise awareness of every right that every human being has, no exception the equality of each student in learning.